This one robin chases everybody away. We did have 4 of them, but here's the blizzard. Hey, little bird. We gave him some grapes and some apples, and they loved it because there's no worms it can get to now. And here's the cabin. We've never seen so much drift up the door there. Poor birds. And here's the back door. Waist high. Of course, that's all blown in. So it's stuck to the door there. It's probably about a foot deep out there, generally speaking. But drifts can get quite a bit higher. I got stuck in a snowblower, so I couldn't get through.
Who knew that would give them extra?
We have doves huddling in our bird feeder from the blizzard. Walk like a penguin, as they say on TV.
Yeah, you have to shuffle. You don't step, you shuffle when it's icy. Yeah, they didn't say that last night. They should have.
Open that up so I can see. I'm getting video here.
Oh, well, they stopped eating them.
Well, because we're watching them.
Oh, no, they were eating it before.
Well, there's one right at the edge eating it. I can see him. See him?
Oh, yeah, right down there in front, yeah. But one of those fat ones was out there before, just picking on a piece. They'll come back and forth. I mean, I don't know how much they eat at one time. Oh, see, there it is. Okay, over here on the right.